it's so tight. It's fucked. I don't know whether you can like see in there at all. Just clean up that thread and then hopefully I've got another nut because I'm not reusing that nut. That nut's fine. Might as well just check it properly, eh? Fairly sure it's metric. Yeah. That's a 125 there, so. So yeah, it is 125. It's just whether it's that. Now you gotta put this on the right way, so the thread's tapered at that end. It's full thread that end, so let's go this way. You do not want to fuck this up either. Keep it well lubricated. It's good to go backwards and forwards every now and then because it just clears the thread out. Because that's what's got holes and shit.
Right.
Yeah, the first part of that thread was a bit. It's threaded nice now. Thread looks beautiful. Now we're going to look at our nuts and bolts over here. I might have a new one. We'll see. Oh,
Hey.
mate, bloody
beautiful.
I'm for it to give it a little bit more love. You ever do anything and the thread doesn't feel right, you're much better off cleaning the thread up and then putting it back together.